Have you ever watched a video and felt completely drawn into its story, almost as if every scene flowed effortlessly into the next? That smooth, professional feel often comes down to one small but powerful detail: how clips transition. Well, here is the exciting news. Changing a transition duration in Premiere Pro is incredibly straightforward and quick. In fact, most transitions default to about 1 second, but you have complete control to make them shorter or longer, perfectly suiting your creative vision. The duration of a transition is more than just a technical setting. It is a fundamental tool for emotional storytelling. A very short, punchy transition can create excitement or urgency, while a longer, more gradual one can convey calm, reflection, or a passage of time. Understanding this allows you to guide your audience's feelings and perception of your video's pace. It truly influences how your message lands. Let us dive into the practical steps, the easiest way to adjust a transition's length directly on your timeline. First, locate the transition you want to modify between two clips. You will see it as a colored block overlapping the end of one clip and the beginning of the next. Click on it to select it. Once selected, simply hover your mouse over either edge of the transition. Your cursor will change into a bracket with an arrow. Click and drag inward to shorten the transition or outward to lengthen it. Premiere Pro will show you the exact duration in seconds as you drag. For more precise control, select the transition and then open the Effect Controls panel. Here, you will find a numerical duration setting. You can type in an exact value, for example, 0.5 seconds for a quick cut or 3 seconds for a slow dissolve. A useful tip for speed is that you can also set a custom default duration for all future transitions of a specific type. Just right-click on any transition in your effects panel and select Set Selected as Default Transition. Then, whenever you apply that transition with a shortcut like Ctrl-D on Windows or Command-D on Mac, it will automatically apply with your chosen duration. Now for an insider tip that really refines your editing. Sometimes, adjusting a transition length on the timeline can inadvertently shorten your actual video clips. To avoid this, you can use what are called trim handles. When you apply a transition, Premiere Pro needs a little extra media from the end of the outgoing clip and the beginning of the incoming clip to create that blend. These extra bits are the handles. If you find you cannot lengthen a transition further, it often means your clips do not have enough media past their edit points. A quick fix is to slightly shorten one of the adjacent clips by just a frame or to using the rolling edit tool, which then creates new handles for your transition. This gives you more flexibility without changing the overall timing of your content. By mastering the simple art of changing transition durations, you are not just making technical edits. You are becoming a more impactful storyteller. Each adjustment allows you to fine-tune the emotional arc of your video, dictate its rhythm, and ensure your message is delivered with precision and polish. It is a fundamental skill that transforms raw footage into a compelling, engaging narrative that keeps your viewers hooked from start to finish.